Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can speed up Windows 10 system by clearing up all the cache from Windows 10. So herein we will focus on 5 different methods so that we can speed up our Windows 10 system. Let's begin. The first one, go to start, type %temp percentage and press enter. On pressing enter you can see the temporary files are visible. They will be in huge numbers. You can see 795, here it is visible. Just select them, we don't need them, and click on delete. It will take some time and all of them will get deleted. Click on continue, select this. Now guys, click on skip because the following remaining ones are the one we are using right now, so it won't get deleted. Click on skip for all and it's fine. Only 3 of them are remaining, rest all deleted. So guys, now close this. Let's go for the second method. Go to start, type run, press enter, and here in type prefetch and press OK. Click on continue, give permission. Now you can see these are also files we don't need it. So select them all and delete. Now select this and skip because the following one we are using, so it won't get deleted. Click on skip. Now guys, let us focus on the third method. Go to start, write run and click on it. Now herein type temp. Do not add any percentage and click on OK, or you can press enter. Click on continue. Now you can see another temporary files are visible. Now guys, again select all and click on delete. Continue. Now all the files will get deleted. For try again, click on skip. Now guys, let us see the fourth way to speed up our system and clear all the cache. Go to start, type restore point here and click on create a restore point. Now the section will come for system properties wherein restore point section is visible. We just need to configure the restore settings and let's see what will happen. Click on configure. Now you can see current usage is 1.08 GB because right now we are using for restore points. So 1 GB is getting used for restore point. We just need to click on delete. Click on delete. Click on continue. We have deleted it. Click on OK. Now you can create a new one. Click on create. And let's create a new one. December 12. Give a name. December 20 restore point. Click on create. It will create a restore point. It will take some time. So guys, we have created it. Click on close. Now let's go to configure again. You can see it is using only 16 MB right now. Click on OK and click on OK again. So this was the fourth way. Let's go to the fifth method. The fifth way through which you can easily speed up your Windows 10 system by clearing cache. Go to start, type disk cleanup. Click on it to open. Select the drive, keep the default, click on OK. So it is calculating how much space you can free. So you can see downloadable program files, temporary internet files, Windows error reports and feedback. Yes. Here you can see recycle bin 1.49 GB. Here in temporary files 27 MB. Thumbnails, everything recycle bin will also get recycle bin data will also get deleted. It will now clean 1.95 GB from the disk space. So guys, in this video we saw not only one but 5 methods through which we can easily speed up our Windows 10 system by clearing all the caches. If you know any other method, please mention it in the comment section. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.